All right, Brian the Barber here today. Today's video I want to talk about replacing the Oster T-Finisher cord. I already have it removed, but I just want to explain something real quick. Once you pop out these two back screws right here, everything's pretty self-explanatory. Make sure you have like a little bit of pliers because you're gonna yank. It's gonna be, but when you grab it, you want to grab this part right here and lightly yank it out. Just a little yank, and then once you get the new one, this is the old one I have. Once you get the new one, you slap that on back there, slightly push back, and once you have the little hooks right, or not the hooks, the hinge right there, and screw everything back, everything should be back to normal. Let me put it pause right now. All right, so the other video got cut off a little bit, and got it right here. Make sure that hinge is probably the hardest part to install. But once you get this guy in, let me plug it in real quick. So now, yeah, the cord works and everything. The blade's running. And yeah, we're good. We're good now. All right, just want to show you guys how it's done. All right, take care. Bye-bye.